Classical liberalism, the champion of limited government and individual responsibility. Classical liberalism, often associated with thinkers like Adam Smith and John Locke, emphasizes individual liberty, limited government intervention, and free markets. Its core principles include economic freedom. Classical liberals believe that individuals should be free to pursue their own economic interests without undue interference from the government. They advocate for free markets, deregulation, and limited taxation. Limited government. They believe that the role of government should be restricted to protecting individual rights, maintaining law and order, and providing essential public goods like national defense and infrastructure. They are wary of government intervention in social and economic affairs, fearing that it could lead to inefficiency, corruption, and the loss of individual liberty. Individual responsibility. Classical liberals place a strong emphasis on personal responsibility and self-reliance. They believe that individuals should be responsible for their own well-being and that the government should not provide extensive social welfare programs. Social liberalism. They advocate for social justice and equality of opportunity. Social liberalism, which gained prominence in the late 19th and 20th centuries, is more concerned with social justice and equality of opportunity. It builds upon the foundations of classical liberalism but emphasizes the greater role for government in addressing social and economic inequalities. Its key tenets include social justice. Social liberals believe that the government has a responsibility to ensure a basic level of well-being for all citizens. They advocate for policies that address poverty, inequality, and discrimination, such as social welfare programs, universal health care, and progressive taxation. Equality of opportunity. They believe that everyone should have a fair chance to succeed in life regardless of their background or circumstances. This means investing in education, healthcare, and other social programs that level the playing field and provide everyone with the tools they need to thrive. Positive freedom. While classical liberals emphasize negative freedom, which is the freedom from interference, social liberals emphasize positive freedom, the ability to pursue one's goals and live a fulfilling life. This means that the government has a role to play in providing individuals with the resources and opportunities they need to realize their full potential. The Great Divide, a clash of visions. The difference between classical and social liberalism are not just theoretical, they have real-world implications for public policy and the role of government. Classical liberals tend to favor a smaller, less intrusive government with a focus on individual liberty and economic freedom. Social liberals, on the other hand, are more comfortable with a larger government that actively intervenes in social and economic affairs to promote equality and social justice. This divide has played out in political debates around the world, shaping the platforms of different political parties and movements. It's a debate that continues to this day as societies grapple with questions about the proper role of government, the balance between individual liberty and social responsibility, and the best way to create a just and equitable society.